Hello everyone, my name is Dustin, founder and CEO of Beast Trading Software. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I did make a video a couple of weeks ago showing you all these recent signals of the indicator, and today I've got a new video for you to show you how the Beast Super Signal has been trading over the last couple of weeks, and also the EA, as the EA does trade the exact same signals as the indicator. So whatever signals you do see today, you would also see the EA trading as well if you were using that. Now, before I get stuck into the video and show you exactly what the indicator has been up to over this last couple of weeks, if you haven't subscribed already, please do hit that subscribe button, and also do hit that like if you enjoy the content, if you enjoyed this video. It really does help the channel, and I really appreciate all the support. I also want to mention, if you haven't seen already, or if you don't know, I am having a limited promotion at the moment. Basically, it's literally a buy one get one free. So buy one of my products and you'll get a second product for free. It's a fantastic promotion at the moment, literally getting 2 for 1. So for example, if you purchase the Beast Super Signal indicator, I will give you the Beast Super Signal EA for free. If you're into automated trading and you like EAs, if you purchase the Beast Super Signal EA, I will give you the Breakout Beast EA for free, and vice versa. So if you purchase the Breakout Beast EA, I will give you the Beast Super Signal EA for free. This promotion is available on my website, and it is available on NQL5. Those are the only 2 places that you will find my products for sale on the internet, online. And this is the only place that you will find this promotion. So it's a fantastic offer at the moment. If you really enjoy this video and you like what you see, and you like what you see the indicator's up to, you can purchase the indicator, get the EA, or whichever you want to do, and it is a fantastic deal. Alright, so getting it all out of the way, let's see what the indicator's been up to this last couple of weeks. I just want to mention, first of all, with the indicator, I'm not using the default settings. These settings that the indicator is using now are not the default. They are optimized settings, which I have made for all of these pairs individually. And these, what you see now, are the exact same settings that I would send you when you purchase indicator. I do send the optimized settings, so you would have the same settings, or the same set files that I'm using in this video. The same goes for the EA. If you do purchase the EA, I do provide optimized set files for all of these pairs that you're going to see in the video. Alright, so let's get started. We had quite a good week, a couple of hits, a couple of misses. So let's just show you everything how it goes. Always transparent. I show you the wins, I show you the losses, so you can see exactly how this indicator has been trading. Looking on the first pair, earlier this week, we had a very nice easy win. This was a fantastic signal, very nice easy win. Then moving on to Australia and yen. Again, we had a if you actually look back this week, we had a buy here, it was a win, here was a win, here was another win, and most recently here we had another win. This was a fantastic signal. It just clipped take profit. You can see over there before reversing, but we've literally have 4 signals in a win here. This has been a fantastic pair. Australian dollar and US dollar, looking back earlier this week, we had a sell, which was a win. I think here we had a loss. And here, this is so sad. I mean, here we had a signal. It just clipped stop loss before continuing over to take profit. So this was just an unfortunate signal that did hit a loss. On the next pair, we have the Canadian dollar and yen. Here again, earlier this week, we had I think this was looking back on, this is Monday. We had a very nice win. Here we did take a loss, I think, and then we had a very nice win today. Going on to euro. Not much action on this pair this week. Let's go back a bit. So going back into the last week, we had 2 sells, which is a win. Here we had a buy, was a win, but this week not much happening on this pair. Then on to euro CAD. Looking back, earlier this week we had a buy that looked like it might have been a loss. Then we had this sell signal, which was a win, and then we had another win today. Today's actually been a very good day for trading. There's been a lot of volatility in the markets going on with the retail sales news on the US dollar, which has had a knock-on effect on the other crosses, but it does seem to have worked in our favor. Euro pound, again, this week doesn't look like there's been anything. Let's just go back. There was a signal here, this didn't go away, so this pair hasn't really been our best at the moment. On to euro yen. Here we had Another signal, this one also didn't really go away. Let's just look backwards and see. There we had a signal. I think this might have been a loss, and here was a win. Okay, and onto euro dollar. So here we had euro dollar again. This is the news. Unfortunately, you can see the spike. We did get a signal. It was going away, but unfortunately, the news didn't go in favor of this pair. This is one of the things I think as a technical trader or technical based system, fundamental news, it doesn't always go in your favor. And even though technically, as you can see, this was an uptrend and the indicator was signaling a continuation of uptrend, the news came and didn't go in our way. It is what it is. You can't fight it. This is just how the market works. Now, the next pair we have the pound Australian dollar. Quite a bit of action here. We had a win here. That was a loss. Last year was a win. And we had a nice win today here as well. On the pound Canadian dollar, looking back earlier this week, we had a win. I think this might have been a win. I can't say for certain because I can't see where the stop loss might have been. And here, I think this might have been a win. I'm not sure. These two I can't confirm. But these two definitely were both wins. So the last two wins, if these two were losses, we would have recovered on these two. And then on to the pound yen. We've had 3 signals earlier this week. All 3 of them wins. So this has been a really great pair to trade this week as well. Then on to the pound dollar. Again, not much action earlier this week, but we had a signal this morning which hit take profit. This was a really nice, easy trade. Actually, this was in a situation where the news did work in our favor. This retail sales news did come out in favor of the sell. So on this pair, the news did go our way. Now moving on to New Zealand dollar and US dollar. Looking back, we had a win here, another win here, and another win. So on this pair again, we've had 3 straight wins. This was a fantastic signal, literally 0 drawdown at all, no drawdown whatsoever. Then we have US dollar, Canadian dollar. Looking this week, I haven't had anything. Let's just see what happened earlier. So looking back into last week, we had a sell, which was a win. Here we had a buy. This was a win, another win, another win, another win. So we're looking at 4 straight wins, 5 straight wins on this pair from all the signals last week. This week we didn't get anything. But so over last week, fantastic results. And the last pair to show you today is the US dollar and Japanese yen. This week, there hasn't been any signals. Let's go back to last week. Nothing either. So not much signals over the last couple of weeks. The last signal is going back into earlier this month. So not much action on this pair. But in general, I can see and I can say we've had a pretty good week. We took a few losses here and there, some of them due to fundamental news events, which we have no control over. But then again, I always do mention that, just like any other indicator, this indicator is not the holy grail. It's not 100% perfect. There will be losses. It can't predict the future correctly every single time. But in general, overall, it does a pretty good job of giving you a good prediction of where price is going to go. So in general, I think we have had a pretty good couple of weeks. Most of our pairs have hit profit. So I'm pretty happy with today's results, showing you all these signals we've had over this last week and last week. If you liked what you saw, like I mentioned before, you can head over to my website or to MCO5, get yourself this indicator, get yourself the EA if you like. Get yourself the Breakout Beast as well, which is a fantastic breakout EA, which trades perfectly well on the US 30. So yeah, got something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, thank you once again for watching. Do hit that like button. It really helps the channel, and hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, so you don't miss out on any other future videos. I appreciate all the support, guys. Thank you very much for the support. I really appreciate it. If you have any comments below, please do comment below. If you have any questions, ask away. I will reply to you. You can always reach out to me via email or on Instagram and Facebook, and even on MCO5, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Happy trading. Cheers.